Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on failed downloading on your app. We go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us this like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, and when permissions show for you, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications. So then you come here to fill download in here, and you click in this sign that, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean fill download and turn on with us now for notifications. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.